Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to tell you about this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, this broadcast. And with the help of this broadcast, you can easily send bulk WhatsApp messages to a predefined list of contacts. And this is perfect for announcements, promotions, or timely updates. Now, without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this amazing broadcast will work for you. So for that, if I will open my WhatsApp account, in here you can see I have already created the broadcast. As you can see, this is the broadcast which I have sent, and with the help of this broadcast I have sent this particular template inside this particular number. So you can see this is how my customer will see their template for themselves, which I have sent them with the help of my broadcast. Now I will show you how exactly I created this broadcast. So before we start to create this broadcast, first of all, let me help you to navigate up to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here, you will see that on the top right corner, you have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button. And from here, you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to discuss with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you, I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here, I will click on this sign in button. You will see that this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, that's why I will click on this access now button. And after that, I will finally get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And you can do that by clicking on this button given on the right side here. And you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the description box of this video. We have added link of separate explanatory videos there. And after you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then if you want to start creating a broadcast, then on the left side here you can see this broadcast is given to us. So I will click on this broadcast from here. After that, you will get directed on this broadcast page. In here you can see these are all the broadcasts that I have also sent and scheduled for myself. Now we will start creating a new broadcast, and for that we have to click on this button, add broadcast, given on the right side here. After that, you will see that I will land on this particular page, and in here I just have to fill up some of the following details to successfully set up a broadcast for ourselves. So first of all, for this select broadcast type, I will click on this drop down and I will select this broadcast campaign, as I want to establish exactly this. And for this broadcast name, we will enter a name to this particular broadcast. So I will enter this particular name, Halloween Sale 2025. Now before we proceed further, let me share with you guys that why I am creating this broadcast today. So today I am creating this broadcast for my clothing business, and as I want to announce a Halloween sale on my business, so that's why I have to send bulk messages to all of my customers. But if I will do that one by one, then it will take away a lot of my time. So that's why I am going to automate that with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That's why I am creating this particular WhatsApp broadcast here. So here you can see when I will click on this contact list drop down. So let me tell you that this contact list and this template is the two main basic elements with the help of which you can set up your broadcast. And how you can set up this contact list and also this template message for yourself, I will show you later in this video. But for now, let us finish this broadcast of ours. So for this contact list, you can see these are all the contact lists that I have created for myself. So I will select this particular contact list from here because I want to send messages to the contacts inside this particular list. So for this message type, I can select either this pre-approved template message, which I have already created and got approved by Meta, and also I can select this regular message. So if I will select this regular message, then I can type down the text which I want to send to my customer manually inside this particular message box. But there is a condition with this regular message. You can only send broadcast with the help of this regular message only to those contacts which are active with you from past 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre approved template message. So when I will click on this select WhatsApp template button, you will see that these are all the templates that I have already created and got approved for myself by Meta. So I will select this particular template, Halloween sale broadcast 2025, and you can see here this is how my template will look to me. So now inside this particular name field, I will enter this particular name of mine, and inside this quantity, so you can see this is the quantity of which percent I want to announce sale. So I will enter this 50% here, and here my template is all set to use. So now I will click on this done button. After that, you will see that this particular template is visible on our WhatsApp broadcast page. Now I can also test this broadcast by typing down any name inside this particular chat. So let me type down this name Jay, and then inside this enter mobile number, I will enter this particular number, and after that when I will click on this send test message, then this particular broadcast will get delivered to this particular number, so that we can test check if our WhatsApp template is getting delivered rightly to our customer or not. So I will click on the send test message button. After that, we will open my WhatsApp account to see how we have received this particular template. So here you can see I have again received this particular template for myself, and this is how you can see this is the name that I have entered, and this is the 50% of discount that I am offering. So now I will go back to this WhatsApp broadcast of ours, and in here we will complete this broadcast. So for this last steps, schedule broadcast, I can either select this yes, schedule for later, or I can send it instantly. So if I will select this send instantly, and then as soon as I will click on this add broadcast button, this broadcast will get delivered to all of my customers instantly. But if I will select this particular schedule for later, then from here I can select that particular time for which I want to schedule this particular broadcast. So from this calendar here, I will select the 13th of November, and I will select the time as this 10 a.m. and then you can see I will click on this add broadcast button, and here you will see that our broadcast has been set automatically for this particular date and time. So here, as we have successfully discussed how we can set up broadcast for ourselves, so now let me share with you how to create a contact list and how to create a template. So first of all, I will open this contacts, and in here to add new contacts, you just have to click on this add contacts button, and from here either you can add your contacts one by one, or you can also import your contacts in this particular CSV file with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts. So and then when you will upload a file here, and after clicking on this add contact button, all of these contacts will get added to your Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that you can create a list out of all those particular contacts by clicking on this plus button here. And when you will give a name to your list, after that you can either add tag if you want, and then after that when you will click on this add button, this your contact list will get added successfully. Now I will show you how you can create a template for yourself. So for to create this template, you can see we have to go on this template and select this particular template list, and in here you will see that all the templates that I have created for myself are here visible to me. So to create a new template, I will click on this add template button, and then inside this particular template, first of all I will select the category of my template as marketing. Then I will give a name to this particular template as this hello_test, and to name this template there are certain rules like special characters and white spaces are not allowed. And here you can see this is the example given of the particular format in which we have to name the template of ours. And for this language, I will click on this E, and you can see English is shown to us, so I will select this English as my language. And for this template type, you can either select this text, image, video, documents, or anything else if you want to from here. Then you can enter this header inside your template like this hello. You will see that this is how your header will look, and you can also enter the format of your template. So for now I will enter this particular format. This is a test. After that you can also add footer if you want, like I will add this particular footer by, and here you can see this is how your template will look to you. And for this interactive actions, you can either add call to action buttons or this quick replies or this all. And after that, when you have successfully added any of your call buttons or quick replies, then you just have to click on this submit button to submit this particular template for approval by Meta. Then after that, Meta will take a required amount of time to approve your template. After that, you can use your templates inside your broadcast. So here I have successfully demonstrated how you can successfully set up a broadcast for yourself. Now if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.